I'm Rick Lees. Today we're going to talk about hanging conduit. Start out with a competitor's product. Has these little nibs on here that they've been putting in the press lately to make it easy for them to grip with pliers. And the way it works is those little bumps are supposed to engage the teeth in the pliers, and then you snap it shut. One of the things about this is once you snap it shut, if you have to make an adjustment, jet line gets stuck or whatever, then you can't get it open. This is the CADDY version. This is our M series, the 812M, and it works for a 1/2 inch or 3/4, IMC, EMT, rigid, and just snap shut with your fingers. One of the nice things about this is if you do have to make an adjustment, you can, depending on how you squeeze it with your fingers, latch it, pull it the other way, and open it, make adjustments as needed. When you're using this version, this banks onto a flange. We also sell the M24 by itself for mounting boxes, so when you snap your conduit in it, the conduit lines up specifically with the knockouts on the 4-square box, so your J-box, no offset bending, any of that extra work. You know, our job is to make your job easier, so it's the advantage of the CADDY 812M24.